Hi, I am Mahmoud Qasim. Today I will present FORGE, a system we built to help computers better understand questions that comes with both text and an image and find the right answer from a large set of documents. Here's the problem when someone asks a question and attach an image like a screenshot of an error or a circuit diagram, the system should use both to find the right document. But surprisingly, giving the system an image actually makes things worse. The score drops from 32 down to 27. Why? Because the image and the text get mixed together into one messy input. The system gets confused by all the extra noise and can focus on what the user actually wants to find. So our key insights is the problem is not the search engine, it's the question. If we clean up the question first, the search engine works fine. We built two things: Forge, which cleans up the noisy questions, and Lens, a search engine trained to handle Forge's clean out. Together they form Bridge, which scores 29.7, the best multimodal system, and Forge alone plugged into an existing system reaches 33.3, beating even text-only search. The problem formulation, the task is simple. You have million of text documents and a user asks a question with text and an image. You need to find the most relevant documents. The old way converts everything into numbers and compares them, which works for text but fails when images are involved, because the noisy mixed input creates a bad number that points the wrong document. Bridge fixed this by cleaning the question before any search happened. Bridge works in three steps. Step one, we give the image to GPT-4o and ask it to describe what's in the image as text. Step two, we feed this that description plus the original question into Forge, our cleaning model, which remove all the noises and writes a short, focused search query. Step three, that cleans query goes into Lens, our search engine, which finds the best document. That's the whole system. After the image is described, everything runs as pure text, no special image processing needed at search time. Forge, the most important part is how Forge learn to clean questions. We don't teach it by showing it examples of good questions. Instead, we let it try many different ways to rewrite a question, then actually run the search and see which version finds the right document. We reward the version that works best. This is called reinforcement learning. This is why Forge beats other writing method. It's trained on what actually matters, finding the right answer. Lens is our search engine built on a strong language model and trained on reasoning heavy topics like math, law, and medicine. For Forge, we tested seven different AI models as the brain behind it. Interestingly, a mid-sized model, Llama 11P, works better than much larger ones because it writes short, focused query instead of long, noisy ones. Here's the results. Bridge scores 29.7, the highest of all multimodal systems. Every other systems that use images score below 28. We get the best result in 22 out of the 29 topics, with especially big win in Ubuntu at 50.4, travel at 45.7, and biology at 41.8. One, topics where the image carries uh, very specific information. And when we plug Forge into an existing system called Nomic-Vision, the combination scores jump to 33.3, which actually beats pure text-only search at 32.2. Plug and play. Forge is not tied to our system. It improves any search engine you plug in. PM25, a very basic search engine, gains 7 points. GME 7 billion gains 6 points. Even Nomic Vision gains 5.7. We also compare Forge to other question rewriting methods, Heidi and Query to Doc actually made things worse. They add more text and more noisy. Forge RL is the only method that consistently helps because it was trained specifically to improve search results. The conclusion to warm up bridge shows that the real problem in multimodal search is not that AI can't understand images, it's that the question is retrieved is too noisy. Clean the question first, and a standard search engine does the rest. We cut the performance gap between multimodal and text only search but by 46%. Thank you.